What do we got for torque? Oh baby, what's in the box, baby? Damn, Gina. Oh lordy, lord. Guys, it is here. It is finally here. We've been waiting for this thing for so long, it seems like, definitely since last year, but we're gonna find out today what we got in this box from Blueprint Performance, aka Blueprint Engines, I should say. KO, yeah, buddy.
Let's open it.
I know, right? This boy goes, do not open this thing before I come over. It took me a lot not to open this thing, by the way. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Man, we're excited. We're gonna open this thing up right away. But first, real quick, just want to remind you guys, PSI harness giveaway. Do not forget, every $5 you guys spend on the website till LS Fest, we'll give you guys one entry to win that LS swap, harness, ECU, gas pedal, the works. Now, all you gotta do is hit gooseperformance.com, enter to win, get your merch, get the swag, get the hat. I got a few new shirts on that website as well for you guys. There should be a Hellcat one. I'm hoping to have a Chevelle one here soon. We're still working on the artwork, but let's get to it. So we see like 1,000 staples in this thing, but we did see a few screws. We took out the screws. We think we can actually lift this entire crate slash box cover off in one piece. Let's try it. Lift with your back, not with your legs. Go that way. No glove, no love, y'all. Wait, there's more. Okay, open that up. Let's see. Oh, damn, that's freaking dope, guys. Check it out. Yeah, buddy. That's sick, dude. That's huge, huh? Where we gonna put that? We gonna find a spot for it. But man, that's dope. Put that. Oh, baby. Damn, Gina. If that ain't sexy, I don't know what is, you guys. Oh my God. She is pretty. Look at this box of goodies. Probably the harness, sensors, all the goods. Oh my lordy, lord, baby. Magnuson blower. Blueprint heads, of course. What you think, KO?
I like it a lot.
Guys, well above my expectations, man. I mean, this thing, I didn't even think it was gonna be put together, honestly. I thought we would have had to put the drive accessories on, like even the blower. Like, I thought we were gonna have to put the blower on, but this thing is like ready to go. Like, if we really wanted to, we can drop it in the way it goes. I mean, tranny's mounted. It looks like the actual flywheel and the actual torque converter, everything is mounted like that is amazing. Oil pan is on now. I will say this, we are gonna have to swap the oil pan because of clearance issues, because this is a 427 stroker, and that stroke is not gonna clear a factory oil pan, at least not a 302-2 from Holley. And this pan they have on here is a little bit bigger pan, but that's not gonna work with the A bodies. So we have a Mass Motorsports oil pan that we got to throw on. So we do have to swap oil pans. And we are probably going to Cerakote this blower right here. We're probably going to Cerakote that up. Maybe the valve covers, spice it up a little bit. What you think, KO?
I like it.
Oh, man. Guys, I'm... ATI dampener. Let's see what's going on up here. Let's see. Like I said, guys, if you guys need a motor, man. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Hit up Stephanie over at Blueprint, man. She hooked us up. Look at this thing. Oh my God, this thing is sexy. Oh yeah, almost forgot. You guys probably want to know how much this thing makes. 800 horsepower, boys. 800 horse. KO, you got the blueprint down there? This thing comes pre-dynoed also. How much torque does this thing make? Let's see what else we got too. They sent us a bunch of goodies in here. So let's see what we got. Gaskets, of course. They also sent us all the supercharger stuff. So they sent us the pump for the supercharger for the coolant and the actual reservoir as well. What do we got here? Let's see. 4L80 it says. Oh yeah, 4L80 trans. Looks like oh, tranny controller. That's nice. I like that. Wiring harness, tranny controller. We got up in that box. Oh yeah, the EC uterus. The EC uterus.
The uterus.
Open this box up here. Oh yeah, harness. We got the whole wiring harness in this thing, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I mean, it looks like it's the GM harness, which is cool. Nothing wrong with it, but I'm not digging the wire loom. We might have to swap that out. Gas pedal, look at that. Gas pedal, what else we got? Oh, mass airflow sensor. Man, they send us everything. GM performance too. Damn, that's nice. What do you got? Weld-on bungs, it looks like. Maybe for O2 sensors. What else we got here? This says GM performance. Oh, that's the actual control. Yes, sir.
Almost 800 torque.
Hey, what do we got for torque?
797.
790. Damn, really?
Yeah, horsepower 807.
807 and 797. Damn. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, that is just like something that a lot of people don't do. Is like, you don't get these kind of numbers.
Check this out.
When you buy a motor. Like, how often? Oh yeah, all the specs. All the actual specs. Oh yeah, the RPMs on what kind of power it was making. That's nice. I like that. Well, we got some work ahead of us, guys. We got to really get this thing out of this crate. And we're probably going to actually, like I said, I'm probably going to Cerakote some of this stuff up. We'll probably make a video on that. That way you guys can kind of see the process. There's some new Cerakote product that's out, that's air cure. And we're going to put some of that on here so you guys can see how that goes on and what it takes to put that on. That way you guys can do it at home if you guys are interested. But like I said, guys, we got a lot of work to do. We got to move this stuff around. We got to put an oil pan in and all that good stuff. But you guys already know, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell for notifications. And stay wrenching.